Horses out, coming out into a sharp beginning. Bibere, Husteria is down on the inside. S26 now racing in third. Perry Queen, Caloocan's Pride, and Al Marley trails the field. In the return they gallop. Husteria is running by trail in the middle. S26, about 5 wide comes Bibere. 2 lengths away in fourth. Perry Queen, 3 lengths away in fifth. Caloocan's Pride, 5 lengths away in last is Al Marley. They swing in the back. Erestel Husteria by Abralenka. S26 now in second alongside third Bibere. Perry Queen, Caloocan's Pride. Now trying to get closer in fifth and a long way back to Al Marley. Husteria by Abralenka. S26, Perry Queen, Caloocan's Pride. Bibere is on the outside. Al Marley still in last. Erestel Husteria by Abralenka. Perry Queen is down on the inside. Caloocan's Pride on the outside third. S26, Bibere, Al Marley. As they come down at the last 200. Erestel Husteria by Abralenka. Perry Queen moving up. Caloocan's Pride on the outside. Husteria, Caloocan's Pride, Perry Queen. But it's still Husteria followed by Perry Queen. And finally, Husteria, Perry Queen, Caloocan's Pride, S26, Al Marley, and Bibere.
Only the